Our eyes are precious. They allow us to see the world around us in all its beauty. That's why it's so important to take good care of them. Just like we clean our bodies and brush our teeth, we need to clean our eyes regularly. Keeping our eyes clean helps to prevent infections. Our eyes are exposed to all sorts of dirt, dust, and germs throughout the day. If we don't clean them properly, these irritants can build up and cause redness, itching, and even infection. Cleaning our eyes can also improve our vision. When our eyes are clean, we can see more clearly. This is because dirt and debris can obstruct our vision. By removing these obstacles, we can see the world with more clarity. In short, maintaining good eye hygiene is essential for both our eye health and our overall well-being. Before we begin the cleaning process, it's important to gather the necessary supplies. Don't worry, you won't need anything fancy. Most of these items can be found right in your own home. First, you'll need clean water. Tap water is fine, but if you have sensitive eyes, you may want to use distilled or boiled water that has been cooled to room temperature. Avoid using hot or cold water as this can be harsh on your eyes. Next, you'll need a clean washcloth or cotton balls. These will be used to gently wipe away any debris from your eyelids and eyelashes. Make sure to use a fresh washcloth or cotton ball for each eye to avoid spreading any potential bacteria. Finally, you may also want to have a bowl or sink handy. This will allow you to easily rinse your eyes if needed during the cleaning process. By having all of your supplies prepared beforehand, you can ensure a smooth and efficient cleaning experience. Now that you have your supplies ready, let's dive into the step-by-step process of cleaning your eyes safely and effectively at home. Step 1. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. This is crucial to prevent the transfer of germs from your hands to your eyes. Step 2. Wet the washcloth or cotton ball with clean, lukewarm water. Make sure to squeeze out any excess water so it doesn't drip into your eye. Step 3. Gently wipe your eyelids and eyelashes. Use a light circular motion starting from the inner corner of your eye and moving outward. Avoid applying any pressure as this can irritate your eyes. Step 4. Rinse your eyes with clean water. You can either cup your hand and splash water onto your eyes or use a bowl or sink to rinse them thoroughly. Step 5. Gently pat your eyes dry with a clean towel. Avoid rubbing your eyes as this can irritate them. By following these simple steps, you can keep your eyes clean and healthy. When it comes to eye hygiene, there are a few common mistakes people make that can actually do more harm than good. Let's discuss these pitfalls and how to avoid them. First and foremost, never use harsh soaps or shampoos to clean your eyes. These products are designed for your skin and hair, not your delicate eyes. They can strip away the natural oils that protect your eyes, leading to dryness and irritation. Secondly, avoid using the same washcloth or towel for your eyes and face. This can spread bacteria from one area to another, increasing your risk of infection. Always use a separate clean cloth for your eyes. Another common mistake is sleeping in contact lenses. Contact lenses can trap dirt and debris against your eyes, increasing your risk of infection. Always remove your contact lenses before bed and store them properly, in their case with fresh solution. Lastly, be careful not to touch your eyes directly with your fingers. Our hands come into contact with countless germs throughout the day, and touching your eyes can transfer these germs to your eyes, leading to infection. If you need to touch your eyes, make sure to wash your hands thoroughly beforehand. By being aware of these common mistakes and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure that you're cleaning your eyes effectively and safely.